There's the alphabet. Then there's the number. And then shapes. Princess Wardrobe. Basic life skills.
Thank you for tuning in. If you are new here, please don't forget to subscribe. Hit that notification bell and follow us on Facebook and Instagram. Thank you. Hi everyone, thank you for tuning in. Today we are going to unbox this busy board. This busy board is for kids. And it says that there are 8 learning skills in this busy board. So we'll see what's in it, what's inside it. We'll open it. Opening this busy board. Oops. There you go. There's nothing in it. Nothing in it. After the bag. Yeah, so the bag is in a Ziploc bag. So they put it in a Ziploc bag before they put it in the box. Oh. There are accessories. Okay. We'll check the accessories in a little bit. We'll open first. There's a button here and a garter. The handle is like made of felt. Oh, so it's like this is the front. When you open it, there's the alphabet. And yeah, it's like felt, or how do you call that? Yeah, so this is felt base. The material is felt. So first is there's the alphabet when you open, but on the cover, look, there's the dressing, or like basic dressing skills in here. There's dress. Open this with a snap-on. And the skirt. And there's flower in here. You can, I think it's interchangeable because we have this hook here. And there's a button here. You put the flower in it and hide it. There you go. And this one is Velcro. There. The kid or your child will practice the Velcro. There's oh, this is like a dresser or a cabinet, a closet rather. A closet with different kinds of clothes in it. And the shoes. Button. Snap-on. Alphabet. Zipper. Oh, you can remove the zipper. Then there's the number. We'll see the alphabet. Alphabet. So you have these letters to put in here. So we have the alphabet, the number, and then the puzzle. There's a puzzle. And the emotions. Winking, surprised, happy, sad, fear, angry. And then there's another one, colors. It's also zipper. Well, I think you can remove. I'm not sure if it can. It should. Yeah, there you go. You can remove. So the colors. And then shapes. And then here, there's a book. Snap on. It's felt paper. It's felt based. And then like up, right, left, right, down. And then what was that? Like white It's the, and then there's a clock here. This one, and this one. And then there's a zipper. The accessories. These are for the colors, for the numbers, and there are blocks, and there's like one item there. 6, and there's 6 dots, or dot. 1 dot, 6 dots. That's nice. There's the letters. Shapes. Where was the shape at? There's the shapes. And then, what are these? They don't have Velcro yet. You have to put the Velcro yourself. Here. They don't have Velcro yet, so you have to put it yourself. I don't know how it's called. Is it called Velcro? Because you have to stick it onto the felt. I don't think it's called Velcro. Yeah, I think it is. So it will stick on the felt. And then what else? Oh, there is that. This is the puzzle. And the emotions. Neat. That's awesome. So we'll put the Velcro in it. This one here, the outside, it's not felt. It's like a wipeable material, like a placemat material. But this is probably will peel off. We'll see. We'll just have to be very careful in using it. We just have to take care of it. All right, as a parent or teacher, you have to take care of it. Make sure it doesn't get heat or wet. All right, so this is it. There are 8 learning skills. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And their accessories. So this one is called Princess Wardrobe. And then this one here in the other end is Basic Life Skills. It's Practical Ability. This is a multifunctional busy board. Practical Ability, Fine Motor Skills, Memory, Hands-on Learning Skills, Sensory, and Color Perception. Yeah, so these are Velcro. And with a zipper, it's detachable design. Perfect educational toy for fun for your little one. You can use this in your classroom or in the church, Sunday school, or for your own kids. Yes, ma'am. So, educational. They will learn how to tie laces, but the tie here is just a button or the snap-on. How to zip using the zipper. How to buckle on sorts of different way, like this one here. Different buckles. And then how to button. This is the direction. Yep. How to button and how to snap. And many more. There you go. Also, this is also a perfect gift for kids and to parents. Yes, ma'am. Thank you very much for watching. Please don't forget to hit like, comment nicely, share, and subscribe. God bless you all.